In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to connect your Sony WH-1000XM5 to any Xbox console, including Xbox One, Xbox Series X, or Xbox Series S. However, there is one big limitation. As you might be aware, primarily, to use these headphones, you do it wirelessly, so you would be able to enable Bluetooth and connect them through that method. Now, the problem is that no Xbox console has support for Bluetooth. So, regardless if you have an old gen or new gen console, you won't be able to connect these Sony headphones through Bluetooth. What this means is that the only option that you have is going to be a wired connection. You can consider purchasing one of these Bluetooth adapters where you plug them into a suitable port like a 3.5mm audio jack or a USB port and then use Bluetooth that way. But I don't recommend these because they cannot be fully reliable and sometimes they might not even connect. So the best way by far is the direct connection with the 3.5mm cable. So all that you have to do is plug one end of the cable into the Sony WH-1000XM5 and then the other one into any suitable 3.5mm audio jack port on your Xbox Series X, usually the one on the controller. As soon as this is done, all of the audio being output on your console will be output on the headphones instead, and this will work for most models of Sony headphones, including specifically the WH-1000XM5. You will be able to listen to all audio in-game, in voice chats, and so on, and it should work without any sort of latency. But you will need to do it through a wired connection because, like I said, these headphones cannot be used through Bluetooth on the Xbox consoles. They don't have the technology needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.